You are going to love the 2011 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, front floor mats, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.